So I think we're going to live in a world where there are going to be hundreds of millions and billions of different AI agents, eventually probably more AI agents than there are people in the world.
The swarm of AI agents.
In 2023, ChatGPT hit 100 million users faster than any app in history. 2025, AI agents were supposed to be everywhere, from automating your work to running your schedule to even browsing the internet for you. But lately, crickets. With new models like DeepSeek shaking up the whole tech industry, some of you have been wondering, are AI agents dead? Let's break that down. My name's Dev, and I have a bachelor's and master's degree in AI, and when I graduated this past December, I landed multiple offers at top tech companies in the Bay Area. I created this channel to help you get into AI engineering, and in this video, we'll discuss the truth about AI agents. What is an agent? It's just the combination of a model and a tool. The model is usually an LLM or large language model like GPT, Gemini, or Claude, and the tool is usually a set of functions or APIs that the model can access and choose to call if it wants to. For example, ChatGPT is actually an agent. The underlying model is GPT, trained by OpenAI, and it can access the internet. That's a tool. You might have asked GPT a question before, and if the model determines that it's not in the original training data, or if it requires knowledge of some kind of recent event, it'll say searching the web. The model decided to call some sort of internal function that's hidden from us, like search the web, so that it can retrieve the relevant information, sift through it, and ultimately answer our question. And the whole reason this works is because LLMs are capable of this very basic reasoning and planning. Given a set of tools to choose from, the model can decide which one is most useful or relevant in a given situation. To answer the question I posed at the start, agents are still 100% relevant. There are newer, cheaper, and smarter models like DeepSeek, but this just means more applications can be built on top of them. Don't get me wrong, it does seem like all the hype around agents from the past few months has suddenly disappeared. Investors were pouring billions into agents, but just a few days ago, the US stock market dropped by over 500 billion. In fact, OpenAI recently launched their agent, Operator, which is supposed to be like a personal assistant that can run your whole day and you can delegate a ton of tasks to it. Yet nobody's talking about it. People are mainly focused on DeepSeek, but that's just temporary. The truth is, agents are still extremely relevant, and they're gonna become even more relevant as models get more capable. As we develop smarter models, the agents themselves are going to be even more capable because they'll be better at choosing among the tools selected to them. An agent is only as useful as the underlying model. As the underlying models get better, agents will get better. Imagine talking through the medium of voice with a personal assistant where you can tell the assistant about all of your work, all of your tasks for school, and your personal life, and this agent can automatically add them to your calendar at whatever times make sense. That's just one example of an agent that's 100% feasible to develop with the current models we have. My final point is that building agents is actually now easier than ever. With extremely capable models like DeepSeek being extremely cheap and easily accessible, there's going to be even more agents built this year. Hype comes and goes, but the core goal of this field remains the same. Researchers will try to build better and better models, and engineers will try to use these models to build more and more creative applications. If you're just getting into this field, your goal should be to master the fundamentals and build a portfolio. Nothing will teach you more than building projects, even if they're really simple. You've got to ditch the endless roadmaps and tutorials and commit to building your portfolio. If you want to learn the best way to study AI ML without wasting precious time, check out this video. And remember, don't be a TensorFlow Timmy.